Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's Smartsheet tutorial, I'm going to show you a really handy way to get even more out of your date data. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your sheet so that any date you enter is automatically sorted into its quarter, month, and weekday. This can make tracking projects, reporting, or just staying organized so much easier. Trust me, once you set this up, you'll wonder why you haven't done it sooner. Let's jump straight into it. First, we'll start by creating the columns we'll need. If you're familiar with Smartsheet, you know just how powerful these custom columns can be for keeping your work structured. Open up your sheet or start a new one, it's totally up to you. Begin by adding a column for task name. This will usually be a text or text number column so you can write in whatever your task actually is. Think of this as your label or project title. It sets the context for everything else you're tracking here. Next, add a due date column. Make sure to set this as a date type column. This is really important because Smartsheet will only recognize dates for the kind of automation we want to build. So take your time here and double check that you've selected the date format. It's an easy miss, but it'll save you headaches later. Now comes the magic. We're going to create 3 additional columns, one for the quarter, one for the month, and one for the weekday. These will eventually hold those automatically calculated values for us. When naming these columns, quarter, month, and weekday, I recommend also setting them as text number columns. This gives you the flexibility to display the information however you like, whether it Q2, April, Wednesday, or their numeric equivalents. You should now see your columns lined up something like this: task name, due date, quarter, month, and weekday. It might look simple, but these are the building blocks for some really powerful data organization. Let me quickly share why this matters. Imagine you've got a big list of deadlines or milestone dates in a project. If you can see at a glance what quarter or month each date falls into, you'll be able to spot trends, plan resources, or communicate with your team so much more clearly. Maybe you notice that all your deadlines are bunched into one quarter. It's a game changer for project management. Now, while these columns are easy to set up, the next step, adding formulas to automatically fill out the quarter, month, and weekday based on your due dates, will bring it all together. But for today's demo, just getting your sheet structured with these columns is the essential first move. Don't worry if you're new to creating columns in Smartsheet, just take it one step at a time. If you name your columns clearly, everything else will make sense as you move forward. That's it for this stage. Once these columns are in place, you're all set to add the formulas or automations that will make your data really sing. If you found this helpful, let me know with a like, and if you have any questions about setting up your sheet, feel free to leave a comment down below. I love helping you troubleshoot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new Smartsheet tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.